Hi, welcome to DL4JRA. This video is to go through on how to use neural network function in DL4JRA specifically to make an image classifier model using convolutional neural network or CNN. Let's start. Click continue on neural network. If you open it and saw an existing flow already, you can either delete every node by clicking on the nodes and press backspace, or create a new flow by clicking the plus button. First, we will need to create our image dataset iterator. There are three start nodes: auto split, training, and validate. Use auto split if you don't have specific dataset for training and validate. Grab the start auto split node, load image dataset node, and image data iterator node. If you have training and validating dataset, you can grab the training dataset training start node for training dataset, validating start node for validating dataset, and the rest grab the load image dataset node and image data iterator node for both of the flow. But since we don't have the training and validating dataset, so let's delete all those nodes by clicking the nodes and tapping the backspace button. Now let's set up the data image iterator. Click on load dataset. On path, this is where you should paste your dataset directory. You can also change your dataset dimension from image width and image height. Let's change it to 500 and 500. You can leave batch size as 32, but if later you encounter an error when your computer does not have enough space to process, you lower down your batch size. But for now, let's keep it as 32. Now let's change this directory. So this is my dataset. There are two labels here, phone and lotion. I took the dataset using generate dataset function in the DL4JRA earlier. Copy paste the directory of the folder that contains the labels folder. Change the num labels according to the number of labels you have. For us, we have two right here, phone and lotion. Okay. Now we connect the nodes. You can also choose these image preprocessors here. So for example, let's pick flip. This is how to arrange it in the middle of start node and load dataset. So this node will flip your images in the dataset for the model to learn. And this is the setting. We would keep it that way for now. Now that the image iterator part is done, let's start constructing the neural network. Scroll down on the sidebar until you see multi-layer network category. Grab multi-layer start node. Okay, there. Unconfig node, there. Okay, convolutional node. Output layer node. Okay, arrange that. Image input node. And finally the construct multi-layer network node. Okay. These are the basic multi-layer network nodes for image classification. You can also use these other nodes in between convolutional layer and output layer, but let's first go for the basics first. Connect every node here. Okay. Let's see the configuration. Okay. Keep this the same configuration for here. And this two. Okay. Okay, update. Okay, now let's check for output layer. We should change the N out to the number of labels we have. We have 2, and also change your activation function for output layer to softmax. Okay, and keep the rest the same. Then click update. Then for input type, change the dimension according to what we have set on dataset iterator settings. And then click update. Now that our neural network is done, we will have to train the model. Okay, grab the train node here and arrange it, and then validate node. Okay, validate node, and then connected. Okay, scroll up and take the export node. Yes, export node and connect them. Yeah. Click on train node. Okay. Okay, epochs here meaning the number of passes of the entire training dataset and the machine learning algorithm is completed. So for the tutorial, we will set it to 2 epochs. Okay, and click update. Okay, now click on export and then here you can give the path that you want the classifier to be saved on. Okay, let's make a folder, model folder right here. Okay, model. Copy the address here, then paste it here. File name is the name of the classifier. I'll name mine as imgclf image classifier. Yeah. Okay, and click update. And your flow is done. Now you can construct and run your model. Click on construct and let's wait. When the done button pops up, scroll down and check it if stated here network model has been saved. Your classifier is done. Okay, click on your folder and there it is saved here. And that's all for image classifier model using the DL4JRA tutorial.